What if I told you there's a way to live in Thailand for up to 20 years without doing another visa run ever again? No more stressful border crossings, no more reapplying every few months, no more uncertainty hanging over your head. If you're tired of all that and you just want a long-term solution that works, then the Thailand Privilege Visa might be the answer. But here's the deal. How you start your application can seriously affect how smooth your entire experience will be. I'm Per from Siam Legal, one of the officially authorized GSSAs for the Thailand Privilege Program. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to apply, from choosing the right membership to getting your visa affixed. If you follow these steps, you can avoid delays, save money, and get approved much faster. Let's get started. First things first, you need to work with a trusted GSSA or General Sales and Services Agent. That's where we come in. Siam Legal is officially authorized by the Thai government, and the best part is our service is completely free. No hidden fees, no extra charges. We'll take care of everything for you: document checks, application submission, and even scheduling your visa affixation. So instead of guessing your way through, you'll have experts making sure everything runs smoothly. Next up, let's talk about choosing the right membership. There are 5 tiers, and which one you pick really depends on how long you plan to stay and the kind of perks you're looking for. Bronze is the most affordable, but it doesn't come with any privilege points. Gold gives you 20 points per year, great for occasional perks like concierge services. Platinum and Diamond are designed for long-term stays and give you better value per year. And then there's Reserve, which is invite only and super exclusive, just 100 memberships available per year. Don't stress too much about the decision though. You can always upgrade later, and our team can help you choose the best fit based on your goals. Now let's get into paperwork. But don't worry, we've made it simple. Every applicant needs the basics: signed application forms, a copy of your passport, a recent passport photo, and if you're applying from inside Thailand, your current visa stamp. If you used to hold a Thai education visa, you'll need to include school documents. And if you're applying as a family, you'll need things like marriage or birth certificates. And each person must submit their own document set. But you don't have to figure this out alone. We'll give you a full checklist and review every document to make sure it's complete and correct. Once you've got everything ready, send it over to us at Siam Legal. We'll double check it all, fix any mistakes, and then submit it directly to the Thailand Privilege team. You'll also get login access to a portal where you can track your application in real time, so you're never left in the dark. You'll always know exactly where things stand. Now it's time to let the system do its thing. The background check usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks. While that's happening, we'll stay in touch with the officials and keep you updated. Once you're approved, you'll get a confirmation letter and an invoice for the membership fee. From there, you'll have 30 days to make the payment. There are plenty of ways to pay: credit or debit card, bank transfer, mobile banking, and Alipay. Once your payment goes through, you'll receive a welcome letter and your membership ID. That's when you're officially in. Now for the final step: getting your visa affixed to your passport. You've got a few options. Go to a Thai embassy or consulate in your home country. Get it upon arrival at major Thai airports like Suvarnabhumi or Phuket, or book an appointment at the immigration office in Bangkok if you're already in Thailand. After that, you're all set. You can now enjoy all the benefits that come with being a Thailand Privilege member. And that's it. As you can see, the process is pretty straightforward, especially when you've got someone experienced handling it. At Siam Legal, we help you get everything done right, and we do it all for free. If you're ready to apply or just want to ask a few questions, check the description for our contact info. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow for more Thai visa tips and updates. See you in the next one. สวัสดีค่ะ